My name is Kapil Jindal. I'm the co-founder of Naughty Ninos Private Limited. So our prime agenda was providing most comfort wear clothing to kids in India. Jabong and Snapdeal was used to be our prime sales channel. Right now we are selling across all major platforms in India like Flipkart, Amazon, FirstCry, Hopscotch, Ajio. We were facing many challenges in terms of timely compliance, reconciliations, and inventory management. I contacted the partner of Zoho One, Trigya Innovations.
I'm Balwinder Singh and I'm the founder and the CEO of the Trigya Innovations. So we are the Zoho partner since last 8 years. So we have the 3 locations now. There is a 2 location in Haryana. Second is in the Kanpur and the third office we have in the New York. So I have the complete business solution.
In e-commerce, when you sell apparel products, in terms of pain points, if we talk about, you need to handle many line items inventory wise or finance books wise. We have implemented a WMS solution. The WMS solution was only providing us the capability of showcasing our product to each website. So that was the prime challenge which we were facing.
In the peak season, they reach on the like 50,000 to the 60,000 orders in a month. So how to handle like this type of the huge transaction there? And these are the only the accounting transaction we have. They have the finance challenges in the business. They have the inventory challenges. They started the manufacturing, so they have the manpower challenges, how to manage their attendance. Mainly, they want something like automate their business.
So we were not able to file our GST, VAT returns on timely manner, effectively, efficiently. We were not able to analyze our data. We were not able to reconcile our data with the websites through which we were selling our products.
They are using the Tele, that is, they are using the Unicommerce, then they are using the Gmail, they are using any other like this third party creative or some HR, those type of the like attendance management software, but they are not sync each other. That is the biggest challenge. They, because the developer cost is very high, some third party software they are not sharing their API, so that is the biggest challenge. So then we suggested the customer, let's forget about everything, come on the one platform, that is a Zoho One, that can handle your complete business solutions. We just like set up the Zoho Books chart of account as per the Tele. So then we migrate it. In the Zoho Books, there is a good thing like we sync the banking system. Then Zoho Books having some good tight integration with the payment gateways. Then Zoho Books syncing with the GST also. Thing is make easy a account their accounting team life also. As another business owner, I can complete my compliances also. So normally the customer is using the Unicommerce for manage their online inventory. So Unicommerce just pushed on the Amazon and all these marketplaces, but again that is not a like it's a complete solution of the inventory management. We enter all this as in the like purchase order, then the GRN, so then stock in, and that stock is goes to the Uniware where we are using the Zoho Creator as in the middleware, because within the Creator the every businessman want like instantly sync their order so that they can manage their inventory. So on that basis we are getting the one order now from the Amazon as an example. This is synced within the Unicommerce on a time frame, and the instantly we get in the Zoho Creator. Zoho Creator instantly put in the Zoho inventory and the books. So in the inventory we are managing the complete packaging and shipment process. The customer is using some third-party courier services as well, so we integrated via APIs, and then also the status is also updated in the Zoho inventory. So next problem we found is how to manage the team there. So then we proposed a solution, use the like Zoho HRM module within the Zoho One. So for managing their attendance, so then we put like 2 type of the devices there. So we have the biometric machine. There is a third party tool. Then we use the APIs, we integrate with the Zoho People. So then the second thing is kiosk face scanning application also. End of the month, we need to run the payroll. So then HR manager just verify and approve. There is sync automatically with the Zoho payroll. After that, this final calculatable salary is synced with the Zoho Books. So then they have the integration with the Zoho payroll and the Zoho Books. And within the Zoho Books, entire salary is synced.
With Trigya Innovations' help, we have been able to integrate both these solutions, which has helped us to increase our productivity. Since the implementation of Zoho One, we have been filing all our tax returns on timely manner. So after optimizing e-commerce business, we have recently added a manufacturing facility in-house, and I'm sure with the help of Trigya Innovation, I will be able to implement more applications by offering by Zoho One into our business.
The customer growing very fast. So now the biggest challenge what we get from the customer side, as in they put a manufacturing unit, the team size again might be go like double there, and operation also there is a totally different operation. So the customer need a strong communication channel. So then we are using the Zoho Click there. So now the customer having the all this how to manage the entire team task on the daily basis. So we propose them like you can use the Zoho project. So the next challenge is every businessman need a reporting system. So then we have the Zoho Analytics. So we are syncing the entire application data in the Zoho Analytics. The next application they propose, because they are moving on the B2C business, so then we can use like this Zoho Commerce there. Zoho Commerce having a tight integration with the Zoho Inventory, Zoho Books, and other application.
I believe we will be able to achieve our future goals with the help of Trigya Innovation and along with Zoho One.